Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Xiaomi 12X and let me share with you how to change video resolution on this device. So first of all, let's open the camera app, and right now we are in the standard photo mode, so we have to switch to the video one. Let's tap on the video, and if you can see this red color inside the shutter button, it means that for sure you're on the video one. So now we can enter the settings, and in order to do that we have to tap on the three bars icon in the right upper corner, and as you can see, two of those options bar are connected with the resolution. So we've got four different options from which we can choose. We've got 720p, 1080p, 4K and 8K, and all of those options are connected with the frames per second. So sometimes we will be able also to pick between 24, 30 and 60 frames per second. So right now we've got the options which we've got currently applied highlighted. So we've got 1080p option applied with 30 frames per second, and all you have to do in order to change the resolution is to simply tap on the one you'd like to use. So I will pick 8K. And as you can see, it has been immediately changed. So we've got 8K option applied with 24 frames per second. This is the only option we can pick in this video resolution. So basically this is how it works. Just tap on the option you'd like to use. It will be immediately highlighted, which means also that it is immediately applied, so you can record videos in chosen resolution right after tapping on it. So actually, this is it. This is how to change video resolution in your Xiaomi 12X. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.